Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus.
In today's news update, I want to talk about the best home remedy for ED.
If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. It's true that erectile dysfunction can be related to mental or emotional distress, but in most cases, it's a matter of poor blood flow that could be related to diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, or metabolic syndrome. The following 4 natural treatments for ED may seem very different, but they have one thing in common, and that is they increase the availability of nitric oxide for increased blood flow. The first is to eat flavonoid-rich foods. These are foods such as blueberries, cherries, blackberries, radishes, citrus fruits, and red wine, which offer the flavonoid profile with the greatest benefits. Number 2 is take an LArginine supplement. L-arginine is an amino acid that naturally occurs in the body and is the precursor to the compound nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is vital for achieving and maintaining an erection. Number 3 is maintain a healthy weight. Added pounds can have a significant impact on blood flow, as well as put men at risk for diseases that may exacerbate erectile dysfunction. And the last is consider hormone therapy. Hormone imbalance, particularly low testosterone, can also play a role in ED. Personally, I work on all 4 approaches with a concentration on number 2. Taking a high-quality, highly concentrated form of L-arginine. You are way ahead of the game if, like me, you use a concentrated form of L-arginine called ProArginine. Click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. Thanks for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.